Manchester City emerged victorious in a thrilling Carabao Cup encounter against Watford. The match was a roller coaster of emotions, filled with moments that had fans on the edge of their seats. From the first whistle, it was clear that both teams were here to fight for every inch of the pitch. The final score? A hard-fought 2-1 victory for the reigning champions. This scoreline, however, doesn't fully capture the intensity and drama that unfolded over the 90 minutes. Each goal was a testament to the players' skill and determination. The Etihad Stadium witnessed moments of brilliance, resilience, and a touch of drama. The atmosphere was electric, with fans cheering their hearts out, creating a cauldron of noise that spurred the players on. The stadium, a fortress for Manchester City, once again proved to be an intimidating venue for visiting teams. City's quality shone through, but Watford certainly didn't make it easy for them. The visitors were relentless, pressing high and challenging every ball. It was a true test of City's mettle, and they rose to the occasion with their trademarked flair and precision. They progressed to the fourth round. Their Carabao Cup journey continues. This victory is another step towards their goal of lifting the trophy once more. The team knows that each match brings them closer to glory, and they are prepared to face any challenge that comes their way. Watford, despite entering the match as underdogs, showcased their fighting spirit. They played with heart and determination, refusing to be overawed by their illustrious opponents. Their performance was a reminder that in football, anything is possible and underdogs can often surprise the favorites. Tom Iny's stunning late goal ensured a tense finale. His strike was a moment of individual brilliance, a goal that will be remembered by fans for a long time. It brought Watford back into the game and set up a nail-biting finish. However, City held their nerve. In the face of mounting pressure, they remained composed and focused. Their experience in high-stakes matches shone through as they managed the game expertly, ensuring that Watford's late surge did not derail their plans. They secured the win and maintained their pursuit of silverware this season. This victory is not just about advancing in the cup, it's a statement of intent. Manchester City is a team with ambitions of winning multiple trophies, and this match was a clear demonstration of their capabilities and determination to achieve their goals. Jeremy Doku and Matheus Nunes were the architects of City's victory. Their performances were nothing short of spectacular, showcasing their immense talent and understanding of the game. Both players have quickly become fan favorites, and it's easy to see why. Their chemistry on the field is palpable, and their ability to read each other's movements is a testament to their hard work and dedication in training. Doku, a constant threat on the left wing, opened the scoring early in the match. His pace and dribbling skills left the Watford defenders in his wake, and his composure in front of goal was exemplary. Doku's ability to take on defenders and create scoring opportunities is a vital asset for City. His goal was not just a moment of individual brilliance but also a result of the team's fluid attacking play, which has been a hallmark of their success this season. His goal, a testament to City's fluid attacking play, set the tone for the night. The early lead allowed City to dictate the pace of the game and put Watford on the back foot. Doku's celebration, with arms raised in triumph, was a moment of pure joy for the fans and a signal of his growing confidence. His performance throughout the match was a constant reminder of his potential and the bright future that lies ahead for him at City. Nunes, showcasing his growing confidence in a City shirt, doubled the lead before halftime. His goal was a result of excellent positioning and a keen sense of timing. Nunes has been steadily improving with each game, and his ability to find space in the box is becoming a key feature of his play. His goal was a clinical finish, highlighting his ability to arrive in dangerous areas and make the most of the opportunities presented to him. His goal, a clinical finish, highlighted his ability to arrive in dangerous areas. Nunes' awareness and movement off the ball are exceptional, allowing him to exploit gaps in the opposition's defense. His celebration was a mix of relief and joy, reflecting the hard work he has put in to reach this level. Nunes' contributions are becoming increasingly important for City, and his partnership with Doku is one that fans are excited to watch develop. These two players were instrumental in City taking control of the match. Their combined efforts in both attack and defense ensured that City maintained their dominance throughout the game. Doku and Nunes have shown that they can be relied upon in crucial moments, and their performances are a testament to the depth and quality of City's squad. As the season progresses, their roles will undoubtedly become even more significant, and their partnership will be key to City's ambitions. Watford, despite trailing for a majority of the match, never gave up. Their persistence paid off late in the second half. Enter Tom Iny. With a moment of individual brilliance, he curled a stunning shot past Stefan Ortega. The goal injected a surge of belief into Watford's ranks. Could they find an equalizer? The final minutes were tense. However, City's defense, though tested, held firm. Pep Guardiola, as is his way, used the Carabao Cup tie to rotate his squad. A mix of youth and experience took to the pitch. The highlight? A debut for 16-year-old Kaden Braithwaite. Braithwaite, a highly rated midfielder, slotted into the City midfield with remarkable composure. His performance belied his tender years. This was a glimpse into the future of Manchester City, and it looks bright. The Belgian Bolt, Doku, lights up the Etihad. Jeremy Doku, the young and electrifying winger, has taken the Premier League by storm with his dazzling performances. His speed and agility have made him a fan favorite at the Etihad Stadium. Jeremy Doku was undoubtedly the star of the show. From the first whistle, he was a constant threat to the opposition, showcasing his incredible dribbling skills and relentless energy. His ability to glide past defenders with ease left the Watford defense in disarray. His goal and assist demonstrated his attacking prowess. The goal was a masterpiece of precision and power, while the assist highlighted his vision and unselfish play. Doku's contributions were pivotal in securing a crucial victory for Manchester City. His pace, trickery, and direct running caused Watford problems all night. Every time he touched the ball, there was a sense of anticipation in the air. His fearless approach and willingness to take on defenders made him a constant menace. Signed from Rennes in the summer, Doku is already looking like a shrewd acquisition. The young Belgian has seamlessly integrated into Pep Guardiola's system, quickly understanding the tactical nuances and demands of the Premier League. He's quickly adapting to life at City. His work ethic in training and his positive attitude have endeared him to both teammates and fans alike. Doku's commitment to improving every aspect of his game is evident in his performances on the pitch. His performance against Watford suggests he's ready to play a key role this season. As the season progresses, fans can expect more thrilling displays from Doku. His potential seems limitless, and if he continues on this trajectory, he could become one of the standout players in the league. The future looks bright for Jeremy Doku and Manchester City. Midfield conundrum: Rodri's absence looms large. The victory over Watford came at a cost. Rodri, City's midfield anchor, suffered a potentially serious injury. His absence, if lengthy, will be a major blow to Pep Guardiola. Rodri's influence on this City side is undeniable. His ability to control the tempo and break up opposition attacks is crucial. Finding a suitable replacement will be Guardiola's biggest challenge in the coming weeks. Fortress Etihad, City weathers the late storm. Watford's late goal ensured a nervy finish at the Etihad. However, City's defense, marshaled by the experienced duo of John Stones and Ruben Dias, held firm. They weathered the storm, repelled Watford's late attacks and secured the victory. This defensive resilience will be crucial as City navigate a demanding season on multiple fronts. The Carabao Cup, often viewed as the lesser cup competition, still holds significance for a club like Manchester City. It represents an opportunity for silverware. Pep Guardiola's men will be determined to go all the way this season. They have the squad depth and the winning mentality to conquer this competition once again. Watford, despite the defeat, can take heart from their performance. They pushed City hard. Their resilience and fighting spirit were evident throughout. Tom Iny's goal was a moment of individual quality. This display against the champions should give Watford confidence as they aim to climb the championship table. Jeremy Doku's performance against Watford was a clear indication of his immense potential. He's a special talent. His pace, skill, and eye for goal make him a nightmare for defenders. Under Pep Guardiola's guidance, Doku could develop into one of the most exciting wingers in world football. Manchester City fans have a lot to look forward to. Manchester City's journey in the Carabao Cup continues. They march on to the fourth round. However, challenges lie ahead. Rodri's injury poses a significant problem. Despite the challenges, City's ambitions remain as high as ever. They are determined to win trophies. The Carabao Cup represents a real opportunity to add another piece of silverware to their growing collection.